Check out the size of this box. Today we're diving into the Sluban Girls Dream series, and specifically this massive 2-story luxury villa. Right off the bat, the packaging is so vibrant. The pink, white, and purple color palette really pops and gives off those perfect summer vacation vibes. Looking at the artwork, this isn't just a house, it's a full lifestyle set. On the top floor, we've got a cozy master bedroom with a grand bed and a private balcony where one of our characters is enjoying a morning coffee. Downstairs is where the magic happens, featuring a fully stocked kitchen, a warm fireplace for those chilly pretend nights, and a beautiful outdoor patio area. I'm honestly impressed by the level of detail here. There's even a little easel for painting in a garden and a palm tree to complete the tropical look. If you look closely at the bottom corner, there's a grumpy looking ginger cat and a little white kitten, which also adds so much personality to the scene. We also can't ignore the gift highlighted on the box. It looks like we got a special character keychain included inside as a bonus. Sloobin has really stepped up their game with this Girls Dream line.